And welcome to today's video. I'm talking about preparing for your driving test. You've worked with your instructor and you've done some mock tests, which presumably they've gone fantastic for you, and you're thinking about your driving test. Now, what you've got to think about is, will nerves affect you on your driving test? If the answer is probably yes, then you need to think about how you can control them nerves from the start go. And I say from the start because when the examiner takes you outside and they takes you to the car and he says, right, start the engine when you're ready and we'll drive on. At that point, you need to be ready for that test. And if you're getting the jitters, or you're getting the shakes, or you're getting the butterflies, or you can't concentrate because you're thinking about there's a stranger in the car, then you really need to prepare for that beginning of the test. And over the years, I've tried different remedies that have helped students. I always say to them, well, try and have a banana a day leading up to your test, probably about a week before, because the potassium in it will help bring your stress levels down. It helps control things. And there's other things you can do. Is you can buy stuff, which I'll show you in a second, and you can at the same time go and look online and get online courses that will help you, either one-to-one tuition with people who are a bit more qualified, who are in that field. But what I've got at the moment is, in the past I've used, I think it's Bulldog. I might have used that one and it works out really well, but for whatever reason they've stopped producing them now. So I've gone online onto Amazon and I've used these ones here, which is called Rescue Pastilles. Now, you can get it in a spray and you can get it in drops. And there's other ones on there as well, but I'll just put a link for these few. And blackcurrant flavour, box, press it to open it, and the little pastils, quite nice. And then close the box again, it's done. And I'd recommend having one of them 5 minutes before you go into the test centre, if you're going to use them ones, to help get that into your system. And it's nothing bad in it. I think it's essence of flowers and some other sweetener in there at the same time. But do try these things in advance, whatever you do. Don't just try it on the day for the first time. Okay? And if you thinking, well, actually, I'm going to try that, great. The link's below if you need it. If you're going to try something else, great. But like I said then, try it in advance so that it's not going to catch you out. And I've had a few people over the last year who've used that. Some people said that it's been fantastic. They felt fine. Some people said they've not actually seen a difference. So I suppose it's down to each individual. So that's why you need to try things in advance. Okay, so but whatever you do, prepare for them nerves to help control things. Good luck on the test. I hope this quick advice helps you. If it does, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it.